What a peaceful evening to draw honedge. I gotta say, this is one of the best Pokemon in the Galar region. Am I right about that? Honedge, the sword Pokemon, a steel and ghost type. Beware when approaching a honedge. Those foolish enough to wield it like a sword will quickly find themselves wrapped in its blue cloth and drained of energy. Luckily for me, I'm not blind enough to fall for that. I know exactly how to tame a honedge, and not because I want to wield it like a Magisword. That's just, well, it just gives me the sniffles. And anyways, when drawing honedge, you must start the scabbard. Then draw the eye in the middle of the middle of the blade, the handle, and the crossguard. Now we just draw the sword. We just draw the sword. Draw it going down here. Next, we draw this part here. Now we just draw the bottom of the blade here. Now this... Now we just draw the cloth. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Now we're gonna draw the sheath.
Like no one ever was. To catch them is my real test. To train them is my cause. I will travel across the land, searching far and wide. It's Pokemon to understand the power that's inside. Pokemon, gotta catch 'em all.
We draw the wave here. We draw the wave on his arm. Now we just...
Challenge along the way, with courage I will face. I will battle every day to claim my rightful place. Come with me, the time is right. There's no better team. On and on, we'll win the fight. It's always been our dream. Pokemon, gotta catch 'em all. Pokemon, I know it's my destiny. Pokemon, yeah, come on. In a world we must defend. Pokemon, gotta catch 'em all. So true. Pokemon,
Okay,
our courage
for the scabbard,
runs through.
we must draw...
And I'll teach you.
We must draw three swirls in the center of the scabbard. On this side of the scabbard, and the other side here. Here's the scabbard.
I will travel across the land, searching far and wide. It's Pokemon to understand the power that's inside.
And there we go. The mythic, the Steel and Ghost type Pokemon, Honedge. Basically one of my favorites. I'm proud that I drew this Pokemon. And I'm sure you guys are proud to draw a Pokemon like this too. If we keep drawing like this, we can reach new heights. We are unstoppable when we're together as a Royal Knight. Alexa, who are the Royal Knights?
The Royal Knights, the group.
Alexa, what is a knight?
Here's something I found on the web. According to Mamania.com, when the UFC first announced UFC Fight Night 8 on January 25th, the middleweight bout between Nate Marquardt and Dean Lister appeared to be the co-main event for the evening.
And one more thing, Alexa, can you tell the audience what knights are?
This might answer your question. According to Wikipedia, an audience is a group of people who participate in a show or encounter a work of art, literature, theater, music, video games, or academics in any medium. Audience members participate in different ways in different kinds of art. Some events invite overt audience participation and others allowing only modest clapping and criticism and reception.
And Alexa, what is a knight? Alexa, what is a knight?
As a noun, night can have a few meanings. 1. The period of darkness between sunset and sunrise. 2. The beginning of this period, nightfall. 3. The darkness of night, the dark. 4. A condition or time of obscurity, ignorance, sinfulness, misfortune, etc.
Well, I don't believe in misfortune. Alexa, what is a sword?
The noun, sword, can have a few meanings. 1. A weapon having various forms but consisting typically of a long, straight or slightly curved blade, sharp-edged on one or both sides, with one end pointed and the other fixed in a hilt or handle. 2. This weapon is the symbol of military power, punitive justice, authority, etc. 3. A cause of death or destruction. 4. War, combat, slaughter, or violence, especially military force or aggression.
This video goes out to all you. Out to all you Royal Knights out there. I'm glad you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys at the time of day. I'll show you. I'll come back when night and day become one. See you soon.